Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on a new foundation. It's a newer foundation on the market, but I just got it recently during the sale. So this is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. I got it in the shade C4. And also I have two new concealers. It's just the same concealer, different colors. This is from Tower 28. I'm gonna be trying those today. So I did apply them on my skin today, the foundation and the concealer. I wanna see how these perform on my skin. And I'm gonna wear them until the end of the day today, just to show you guys how they look on my skin by the end of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and let's begin. So I just applied my skincare, which I only use a SPF in the morning. This is the Josie Maran. This is the Get Even Sun Milk SPF 33. And then I applied some lip oil on my lips, and this is from Merit in the shade Le Doux. This is a tinted lip oil. I really like it. It just gives me a little bit of a rosy tone to my lips. So now we're gonna jump into the review today. I'm gonna be reviewing two things. So I'm gonna be trying out the new foundation from MAC. This is called the Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. I got it in the shade C4. And this is what the bottle looked like. It's really cute. It's a 24-hour hydration. It has hyaluronic acid. It's 80% skincare in this. It's medium buildable coverage, radiant glow finish. 24-hour wear, transfer resistant, non-creasing, non-caking, does not clog pores. It's really a lot of claims. And now I'm going to talk about the concealer that I'm going to be using with this foundation. This is the Swipe Serum Concealer. This is from Tower 28. This is a serum based concealer. Not really sure again what the claims are. So this weightless serum concealer has the power to visibly cover dark circles, hyperpigmentation, redness, designed for sensitive skin. The non-irritating formula helps hydrate smooth textured skin without silicones, medium buildable coverage with a natural finish. I got shade number 4 and number 5. So I'm gonna try this foundation. So this is the full pump. It's a little bit too warm for my complexion, but we're gonna be trying it out. I'm not gonna prime or anything, so I'm just gonna go and do a small dot here. What I've been doing, I've been like rubbing it with my finger like that before I go with a brush. I don't know, it's been doing better this way on my face. Just blend it with a brush. This is from It Cosmetics. But this is really lightweight, but I think it's less than medium coverage, but I do love these coverages. I'm not a full coverage makeup girl, so this is one layer of this foundation, and I'm not gonna build it up yet. I'm gonna finish this side and then come back and do just a little bit more. I have a little friend right here, so probably I'll take a little bit more of this, but it's very easy to blend. I could have done a little bit more better on my shade, but I wasn't sure again which color to get. And I got it online. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Just gonna take it down my neck just a tiny bit, just to kind of make it look seamless and it's not like different colors. It's not so bad when you blend it. It just initially, when I look at it, it's a little bit warm. So this is one layer of this foundation. As you can see, it's really glowy. It's so pretty though. And I'm just gonna blend a little bit more with my sponge. I want it to be like just sitting on my skin. That's because it has a glowy finish and also it has skincare. So it's gonna be more, I don't want to say thicker, but it's a little bit thicker and richer than a normal foundation. So yeah, the coverage is really nice. It's buildable. It's undetectable on the skin, to be honest. It's like so pretty. It's like I have a cream on. I'm just gonna wipe it off so it doesn't go all over my clothes. So yeah, I really like the finish. It looks like I have good skincare on my skin. I do like it. So I'm gonna move on to the Tower 28 concealer. I'm gonna try the number 5 first, just to hide my dark circles. I do have a little vein on this side here. So this is what the packaging look like. So pretty. And I'm not sure how much you get in this one. You get 6.5 ml. And in the foundation, you get 30 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce. Oh, this is 11 ml. So this is twice, almost twice the size. Not quite, but you know, it's a little bit more. So I'm gonna take it just right here where I have the dark circles. And I have been obsessed with brushes to blend my concealers. I feel like it has the same finish as the foundation. Like it's glowy and serum-y kind of finish, which I do like. I'm not sure if this is gonna crease without a powder right away. I'm thinking of just to kind of make it a little lighter, just right here. So I'm gonna use the other shade as well, which is in the shade number 4. A little bit right here. It's not too light. Probably it would have been good if I just went with this one. But no, sometimes you have some dark circles, so you need a little darker concealer. So I'll be using that for that reason. And now I'm gonna use a sponge and I'm just gonna blend all over my under eyes, just for some brightness. That's really pretty. It's very thin, buildable, as they said. And it's undetectable on the skin too. Like, I really love those finishes. This is what the foundation, the concealer look like without any powders. And it's not creasing yet, so it's been like a minute or so. It's really, really nice. And today I'm gonna use the Givenchy Praise Me Libra in the shade number 3. And I'm just gonna set my under eyes with this. And I'm not gonna use a lot. And I'm just gonna set like, just very lightly. And with a brush, I'm just going to set the areas I want to be set. I don't really use a lot of powder. I try not to, but this foundation needs a little bit of setting. And just the center of my face. And sometimes what I do, I take the tiniest bit like this and spread it all over my cheeks like this, just a tiny bit. I do like this step because when I go with my powder bronzer, so the powder kind of go on top of it and doesn't skip or get patchy. Because I hate when my bronzer looks patchy. So this is what the foundation and the concealer look like with just the powder on top. It looks really natural, very flawless. It doesn't look like I have makeup on, to be honest. I'm just gonna fast forward this step here. I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup. Hey guys, I'm back and it is 8:52 at the moment. I've been wearing this foundation since 10:15 this morning. This foundation, let's start with the foundation first. The foundation stayed on so well on my skin. It doesn't look greasy or cakey or it's fading anywhere. Except for my pimple right here, I feel like it's faded a little bit. Other than that, it stayed very put all day long. Like, I've been really obsessed with this foundation. Every time I look at myself in the mirror, I go like, wow, this looks amazing. It hasn't budged whatsoever. Like it looks like skin in a good way. I thought I was gonna look very, very shiny at the end of the day because the serum-y foundation, but no cakiness as it says, no creasing, and the longevity is amazing, and it's hydrated. My skin looks hydrated and glowy in a good way. And the concealer has stayed on so well as well. Like, there are no creasing. It looks so smooth. And you saw me, I did not apply any skincare except for my SPF, but it looks really, really stunning. I'm really obsessed with these two products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.